one more. Yay!
We will try to stay alive. I promise this vlog will happen when I get back home. Good morning. So I forgot to put my camera on charge yesterday. This will be my first vlog during this trip. And we just woke up on a camping, a parking, not a camping. And I mean, look at this. We are gonna go to Chamonix first thing in the morning now. It's about like 7:30. So we're gonna go to Chamonix, get me some boots, and then we're gonna go to this mountain hut, and then the real adventure begins. And we are off to Italy!
Yes!
I am so excited, and you are so
Yes.
calm, it's crazy. I'm like... And Emma, she knows every place here. She could like...
No, not all.
But you do! Kind of.
Well, we're going up with a skyway lift to Hellbrunner, and I'm going to take Linda on her first Alpine climb.
So we just got up here. Where are we, Emma?
We are at Hellbrunner, which is at 3,400 meters approximately, and we're gonna climb the Marbrées Traverse, which is this
Where is
one.
it?
This one here.
Up here?
Yeah, the ridge here.
Okay, cool. Wow. Okay, so we are all set, and then we are off. So guys, we just got up here. So far so good. Glacier, and we are going to go up there. Seems kind of scary, but we'll manage. She's done it before. You guys, that was rough, but on the other hand, I have not been exercising at all. I'm doing this on pure will.
And now we're gonna climb up here.
Yep. It's just a big pile of rocks, isn't it?
You will see the exposure when we get up there.
Oh my
And
god.
you look to the side, and it's like a few hundred of meters just drop to the left and to the right. And you have to walk on this narrow ridge in the middle. And don't fall.
Thank
If
you.
you fall, I have to throw myself on the other side of the ridge. Otherwise we die.
We will try to stay alive. I promise this vlog will happen when I get back home. Okay guys, this was like the scariest thing I've ever done in my entire life. Ooh. My knees are shaky. This is scary. Really scary. Wow. Jävlar.
Ja.
Det kommer på film. Japp. Oops.
Trad climbing.
Pretend this is Everest. Huh?
The rope is stuck.
Okay.
I'm on top.
Whoop whoop. Nice. I'm coming up.
So the route I climbed, it's a little bit more difficult than a normal route, which is around here, but it's not difficult. You can do it. I will belay you from up here.
Yep.
Give me just 1 second to put a protection in.
She is gonna teach me everything she can.
Summit! High five!
Oh, that was a bad one.
Okay, one more.
Yay!
How does it feel?
Awesome. Bit scary, but
yeah, it's a little bit
also
exposed here.
a little bit.
Yeah. See if you can see it. So we came from down here. We walked up there, climbed the ridge here, all the way over there, and then we walked here, there, climbed up here on a more vertical wall, and then we're climbing down, going back like that, and then we're traversing over here, and somewhere over there we rappel down.
Okay, so we're going down.
Yeah.
That's the hardest part.
Well, it would be fun.
Yeah, I think it's so hard to... I still haven't really got it to walk with the crampons yet.
Yeah.
I think it's quite hard.
You need some practice.
I need some practice.
Yeah.
Because it's like, it's kind of difficult, but I think I'm getting there.
Great.
Slowly.
Great.
Yep.
Okay, cool.
So now we're going back down again. So we're gonna go here and on the glacier and then back to the huts. Okay, so Emma is rappelling down right now. She's so much faster than me. Can you believe it, guys, that we just walked this whole thing? Okay, we're about to go back to the hut and hopefully get some dinner soon. So this is where we live now when we are here up on the glacier. Pretty nice view, right? So I'm gonna sleep up here and Emma is gonna sleep down there. And I have a headache. I think it's from the height, but I'm not sure. Or if I have been drinking too little water. We are going to stay here the night, and then tomorrow I will drive down to Chamonix by myself, go to a crystal museum, and meet up with Emma later on. Hey guys, I just woke up. I slept really, really bad tonight. And when I look out this morning, I can see a thing. It's like... This is fog, guys. This is not snow, sun. This is fog. It's crazy. It's 6 o'clock in the morning and I'm gonna go down for breakfast. Emma already left. So I'm on my own now. I made it all my way back to Chamonix by myself in Emma's van. I have never driven a van before, and I have definitely not been driving in Italy or in France before. So I was a little nervous because I always kind of go the wrong way, and the thing is that my GPS, it fell down on the floor, so I got a little bit stressed there because I had not much battery left, and so I had to stop with the van, and I was so nervous about it because it's such a big van. But I managed to do that. So now I'm gonna I parked the car here and I will go into Chamonix. I am in Chamonix, but I will go to Chamonix and I will see if I can find this crystal museum. I just got to the museum and guess what? It's closed. So I'm thinking maybe I'll have some lunch And then if I have the time, which I'm not sure, I will go to the museum because I really, really, really want to go there.
I'm so tired.
What did you do yesterday?
So I climbed the hardest thing I ever climbed, Arête du Diable, the Devil's Ridge. And
Woo.
it was a 14-hour climb over
Wow.
several towers. We climbed 6 4,000-meter peaks, and it was just on my limit. And that's what I asked for, but today I'm tired. But we're gonna go up to Agiuilles and probably climb the Cosmetics Arête today.
Whoa.
Are you excited?
Yeah, but you said it was harder than the last one, so I'm kind of scared. No, I'm excited. So guys, right now Emma, she is out on the ridge doing a little thing for Swedish television, and I am standing here in the cave looking at it and I'm waiting for her to get ready to get back. And she's back. How did it go?
Great!
They didn't even say thank you.
Oh, I don't know. I couldn't hear anything. You watched it?
Yeah,
That's so cool.
yeah.
Awesome television from a mountain. I'm super happy anyway.
That's really cool though.
What are you doing?
We are going to do some rock climbing in boots. Just to practice a little bit. It's very warm because I have 2 pair of socks in these. And I mean, how warm can it be right now? Like
20 degrees maybe? 22?
More. I would say more. It's so warm outside. But I guess you were a little bit too naive this morning.
Yeah.
So we are gonna do some practicing instead. But I really, really need that. So it's actually good. Climbing in boots. Here we go.
Linda is up there and she's been doing a really good job getting up there in her Alpine boots. She just told me she's a little bit shaky in her legs. Okay, I'm gonna bring her down.
Oh, I'm shaking. Today, my friends, I am finally going to this crystal museum. Where do I go? I think I'm on the right road. And tomorrow I'm going home. It's been a great trip. Really great trip. And I don't think it will be long until I go back to climb another mountain, actually. So perhaps this summer. I really wanted to climb Sweden's highest mountain this year, so probably I will go like in June, or not June, July or August to go climb that mountain. So hopefully some of my friends want to go with me. And while I'm here, I am going to the Alpine museum. So we'll see what we can find here. Like, this is backpacks from different eras. from 19th century, 1940 to 1950, 1960, 1990, and 2011. Okay, let's proceed.
Nous sommes à deux, on n'est pas tout seul. Une philosophie liée, c'est une façon d'être dans la vie.
We just got back from the spa. How was the spa, Emma?
Amazing.
You got a massage?
Oh yes.
Like 75 minutes?
Yeah. But the woman who massaged me, she was so shocked. She never seen anyone with that much bruises.
Okay, let's look at your legs.
Wait, you go outside. You have the
The real deal, okay?
Oh, wait.
In the front it's not too bad.
It's not too bad in the front,
No.
but
Whoa.
what's this? This is crazy. What the fuck did I do? And this one.
This is a real big one. Oh my god.
I mean,
Well-
this is crazy.
Yep. So she was kind of shocked.
She was like, oh my god.
What did you do?
I told her I did a hard climb, but
Yeah.
I don't think she understood English.
So, okay. This is my last night in this amazing van. I'm sleeping up there and we are gonna make some taco.